Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Microsoft Teams Collaboration Hub, my business communication experience. Microsoft Teams Collaboration Hub aims to be a central platform for business communication, bringing together chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and project management tools into a single workspace. It's primarily targeted towards businesses of all sizes, from small teams to large enterprises, looking to streamline their communication and collaboration efforts. Key features include instant messaging, video and audio calls, file storage and sharing, integration with other Microsoft apps, and team-specific workspaces called Teams. Their website provides details on different pricing plans and features offered. Microsoft emphasizes ease of use and integration with existing Microsoft 365 subscriptions, pitching it as a one-stop solution for all internal communication needs. They highlight the benefits of improved team collaboration, streamlined workflows, and increased productivity. The service leverages Microsoft's cloud infrastructure for reliable performance and accessibility. Availability is generally worldwide, and you can check specific details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Microsoft Teams Collaboration Hub. Setting up was surprisingly straightforward. I was able to quickly create a team for my project, invite members, and start organizing channels for specific topics like marketing, development, and design. Navigating the interface felt intuitive. The left-hand navigation bar makes it easy to switch between different teams and channels, and the chat function is clean and responsive. I found the video conferencing feature particularly useful for team meetings. The screen sharing option worked flawlessly, and the video and audio quality were crisp and clear. I even tested the file sharing capabilities, uploading various document types without any issues. My team members could access and edit them in real time, which proved incredibly convenient. Performance-wise, Teams ran smoothly for me. I didn't experience any significant lags or glitches, even during large video calls. I had a quick question about integrating an external app, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track project progress and individual tasks. The standout feature for me was definitely the integration with other Microsoft apps like SharePoint and OneDrive, making file access and management seamless. One minor drawback was the occasional notification overload, which I had to tweak in the settings. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for channel permissions and notifications. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Microsoft Teams Collaboration Hub. It effectively consolidated our communication and improved our team's workflow. That's my overview of Microsoft Teams Collaboration Hub, my business communication experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.